kuna kazi za punda, na once umeanza kumake dough online, kufanya kazi ya punda bro ni ngumu. So nilitry delivery brother, I'm telling you that's the hardest job I've ever seen in my life. Hata eri mtu wa mjei bro. Imagine uko kwa barabara, una stop every 2 minutes, you have to drop those packages to the door. Sometimes ni gorofa, ni apartment, unapanda lift, sometimes it's a TV, 50 pounds. It's crazy. So, but all I did was I was trying different things so that I see what I can settle in first. And then I decided wacha nipanguze rasa, that's easier, it's chilled, itanipatia chance ya kufanya vitu zangu pia. So I can imagine if I was doing delivery, the whole day you're working, you don't even have time to look at your phone, and then in the evening straight to bed. Umeisha, umechoka, hata huwezi fanya anything. So at least hapa I have like a clean 5-6 hours during the day that I can dedicate to my shit, and then jioni I can also do my stuff. Just sijachoka that much, before nilale.